The ULTA First Day of Fabulous Beauty Sampler Kit is available now for $24, has a retail value of $106 with 12 products to enhance your natural beauty. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Whether it's the first day of school, a new job, or an exciting adventure, step into every milestone feeling confident and radiant. This kit is your go-to for a flawless look, featuring essential makeup, hair, and skincare products to enhance your natural beauty. The kit will include Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner 1.35 ounce, Batiste Bare Dry Shampoo Mini 1.06 ounce. Inner Sense Organic Beauty Eye Create Finish 2.0 ounces, Lancome Hypnose Drama 0.06 ounce, Monday Hair Monday Mini Smooth Conditioner 1.69 ounce, Monday Mini Smooth Shampoo 1.69 ounce, Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo 1.6 ounce, NYX Duck Plump High Pigment Plumping Lip Gloss Mini 0.09 ounce, Patchology Surf Chilled Rosé Hydrating Eye Gels 1 pair, Smashbox Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer 0.17 ounce, Tula Skincare The Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser 1 ounce, Euphoria Night Off Face Wash Deluxe Sample 0.33 ounces, as well as a cosmetics bag. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.